All right, so this is part two of the maintenance that I was doing for my truck this week. And I want to show you this little tool, but we're doing the transfer case. It takes about just under 2 quarts. They use transmission fluid, actually. So check with your parts department, check with your owner's manual. But this is the transmission fluid. I got 2 quarts of it that goes into the transfer case on my 18 Raptor. Make sure you check with your parts department. So I got this little tool here that it's a pump. It's got an in and out. So this, I'm going to shorten this hose. This plugs into your, to the container, and then this pumps into the transfer case. Transfer case is a really easy drain. The fill is not so easy. So I went with this setup. You can probably try something else yourself. Shouldn't take long. There was a skid plate that I got to remove, and then we'll go from there. So we need to remove this skid plate here. It takes 4 13mm size bolts that we're going to take them out. So I'm using a 13mm socket to remove. So this is your drain plug. This is your fill plug up here. If you can zoom in a little bit for them, they can see it. It takes also a 3/8. It's real simple, real easy. So I'm going to drain, let it drain for as long as it needs. It is a little dirty, a little dark. Okay, we're going to start transferring the fluids. Oh, I can feel it now coming in. Right, so both jobs, the rear diff, of course, since I have the upgraded rear diff cover from Ford Performance, it took very little time for me to change the fluid. I could have gone a lot longer. The fluid came out real clear. The fluid out of the transfer case came really dark. And now if you look at the transmission fluid, it's kind of clear red. So I'm glad I changed that. Overall, it took me about an hour with draining and everything else. It's a simple job. I personally like to keep using the OEM parts, but you can go and get an equivalent part that'll work for your truck as well. If you have any questions, don't forget to reach out to me and I'll gladly respond back. We'll see you guys soon. We have a lot coming up. Take care.